Welcome to the Express. Okay, go ahead.
My girlfriend is always disrespecting and putting me down. I pay half the bills and do anything else that needs to be done with no problem.
Okay.
She even provokes me to fight, then tries to throw me out. What do you think is wrong with her? And am I being too nice? Homie, first of all, you need to leave her.
What do you mean, what do you think is wrong with her? What is wrong with you? Have you ever thought probably there's a problem with you? I can't.
Maybe she really likes getting beat up and she really wants to
No,
get beat up.
baby,
Maybe
be
she has a
serious.
fetish.
Be serious. Why does it have to be what do you think is wrong with her?
Because
I'm so
she's
tired
putting
of
this man
automatically
down when he's
jumping.
doing nothing
yeah,
wrong.
Yeah, but this is just one side of the story.
He said he's
him
paying his half.
Yeah, okay.
And doing whatever else needs to be done. And now explain to me, she's provoking him to fight.
But that's just what he's saying. Men always say something. All you guys do is complain anyway. First of all, women always are going to try and throw you out because that's just women do. I cannot wear these glasses.
If you being disrespected, you a man, you handling your business, you shouldn't be in that situation where you're allowing that disrespect. She's obviously crazy.
Do you understand that almost every single month, a woman goes through their menstrual cycle? Then when they reach a certain age, they no longer go through their menstrual cycle, their menopause. Do you understand what females go through? Do you understand who we are, how many hormones we have? I'm sick and tired. I don't want to spill my cocktail. I'm sick and tired of men just not realizing how much we have to go through and how much we have to deal with it. You guys you pay half the bill. You should be paying all of it. I mean, no, I don't think you should be personally paying all of it. He doesn't have to listen. You see, this is what I mean.
Obviously, you keep avoiding that, but at some point, she's gonna do something to get you fed up. You're gonna punch on her face. You're gonna knock a couple of teeth out her mouth, put a big bruise on her face. And then you're gonna be the bad guy. So what you need to do, since you paying half the damn bills and like you said, whatever else you doing, you need to take that money, roll out, and leave her ass. I guarantee you, the next time she tell you to get out, pack up all your stuff, don't say a word, and roll out. I bet you before you open that door, she gonna be like, no, baby, no, stop, I didn't mean it.
No one is supposed to disrespect you, especially not the person that you're living with and you're paying half the bill.
Let me ask you a question. Why when a man is too nice, he's not respected by a woman? What is that?
No, that's not true.
It is true.
No, when you're too, there's a difference. This is too nice by she's always disrespecting me and pulling me down. There's something too sweet about you. Your woman should not always be disrespecting you and imagine me constantly disrespecting you and pulling you down.
Well, I'm not weak. I wouldn't go for
I
it.
think when you're younger, we like the bad guy type of thing, and as we get older as women, we realize the bad guy thing is just not gonna work. We want
because the bad guy end up putting a foot in your ass, and then some of y'all like that, but then other ones be like, oh, I really didn't like that. My head hurt. And then you realize that ain't what you want. But the truth is, some of you women, you really like that, and you like that boot upside your head, and you like getting choked out. It's a fetish. It's a fetish. You like that aggressive, overly aggressive, and just feeling like like your life is on the edge. You like that. But see, the problem is when you ask for it, then you turn around and you ask for it, you do. But then when you ask for it, you turn around and try to put the guy in jail, act like he crazy, he a psycho. But you wanted that. You need to chill.
You know,
I'm not promoting domestic violence, but when I just said what I said, I was serious because I personally have been in situations growing up, and I've seen friends in situations where the woman wants the guy to hit her. I've been in situations where when the girl has asked the guy to hit her,
dumb woman.
and I've seen this. So I'm not saying all women are like that. I'm not saying it's okay to do that, but what I'm saying, the truth is, there are, whether you understand it or you believe it or not, there are actually some women out there who like that type of stuff, and they will provoke you and push you to get it. So you have to seriously be careful about who you associate. It is. It's a problem.
That might be a deeper rooted issue.
It is.
Within that, she might need therapy.
Listen, I've had friends who have girlfriends who said, "I want you to rape me." And I want you. Yes, I'm dead serious. I want you to hit me. I had a girlfriend. She wanted me to smack her, and like seriously. So when
you had a girlfriend that wanted you to smack her?
Yes.
Oh my God! I know that.
I don't remember. But listen, seriously, what I'm just saying is there are people, as much as I'm joking, I'm dead serious, there are people out there who are like that. So you really have to be careful because some people, and I'm not talking about a sexual fetish thing, I'm saying seriously, there are people out there that want that negative attention. And when you get it, when you give it to them, you're in trouble. Mm-hmm. So Avoid it. When you see it, you have to recognize it and say, listen, this person has a problem. I have to get far away from them. Because your ass will end up in jail.
Yeah, okay. We're taking this is too long.
Ray Rice.
Yeah.
Solange. Remember when Solange went? No, I'm just saying. Remember when Solange went off into jail? See, everybody thought that was funny. Everybody thought it was funny, but that ain't funny.
That was not right.
If it was him, like, whoop, bop, 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 boop, boop.
But when
and she was in the corner, like,
in that elevator,
it wouldn't have been funny.
It's not our business.
That man was getting attacked.
For Solange, who is a very, neutral person,
she's psycho.
Whatever happened.
Anyway, that's another story.
That's none of my.
Yo, are you serious?
So, okay. So you guys know what happened by now.
Yo,
our viewers send us.
Yo, this is unprofessional.
But this is who I am.
Unprofessional? It's okay? It ain't okay, woman. You gotta get your mind right. You gotta get your mind right, woman.
Anyway. You guys know what happens. Our viewers send us questions. We answer them because we're the experts. We know everything. Blah, 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 blah.
All right, I'm going to read this one today because you're playing games. All right.